Hi, I'm Alice. I'm from the southwest of England. I love to teach, travel, and meet new people. I'm currently living in Cambodia, and I'm a qualified English language teacher. I teach at a private international school. My students are between 5 and 11 years old. I teach teenagers and also adults. After school, I tutor one-to-one. I love to teach, but I also know how difficult it can be to learn a second language. I'm currently studying Khmer, their Cambodian language, and I'd like you to know that in my classes, you'll find it relaxing and English can be fun to learn. You'll find me friendly and encouraging. I would also like to learn about Japan, so I would love to be able to ask you questions, and in return, you can ask me anything you like. I look forward to meeting you.